Hello everyone, I am your teacher for this question. Let me explain this question to you now. The question says 3.2 gram of oxygen, atomic mass 16, and 0.2 gram of hydrogen are placed in a 1.12 liter flask at 0 degrees Celsius. The total pressure of the gaseous mixture will be, the options are A. 1 atmosphere, B. 4 atmosphere, C. 3 atmosphere, and D. 2 atmosphere. So, here mass of oxygen is given as 3.2 gram. Similarly, mass of hydrogen is given as 0.2 gram. And we know that number of moles is equals to mass in gram, that is W divided by molar mass. So here number of moles of oxygen will be equal to 3.2 gram divided by 16 multiplied by 2, which comes out to be 0.1 mole. Similarly, number of moles of hydrogen is equals to 0.2 gram divided by 2, which comes out to be 0.1 mole. So, total number of moles will be equal to 0.1 mole plus 0.1 mole, which comes out to be 0.2 moles. Now we know the formula, that is PV equals to nRT, where P is pressure, V is volume of gas, R is gas constant, T is temperature, and N is number of moles. So, P will be equal to nRT by V, which will be equals to 0.2 moles multiplied by 0.0821 atmosphere liter per mole per Kelvin multiplied by 273.15 Kelvin divided by 1.12 liter. So the answer comes out to be 4 atmosphere. Hence, total pressure of the gaseous mixture will be 4 atm. So, option B, that is 4 atm, is correct. I hope you have understood the explanation. Thank you.